Alright, this is the stock air intake. We're going to do a couple of sound tests. We're going to do a before and after. This is stock. And we're about to put that Injen air intake. Boom. Sexy. Sexy. Here we go. Stay tuned. Try to make it as clean as possible. Looks pretty Gucci. Gonna go ahead and fire it up. Hopefully my phone, I'm gonna prop my phone over here. Hopefully my phone could stay. Here we go, here we go. I'm gonna fire it up. Órale! Sorry, my radio reset it. No chicken engine like. Here we go. Gonna see how it sounds. Nice. Oh yeah. Here we go, and then here you have it. There's my Injen intake. Actually, just noticed that this one that came is actually for a GT, so it was a little bit angled. So the way I will actually describe this when I shut the car off. It sounds nice. Gucci. So actually notice that this one is actually for GT, and the manifold is slightly different. So this part of the tube is like slightly angled, but it's all good. It all worked out, and I was lucky because this guy for the GTS is actually where you mount the bracket, and I have it stripped and there's no way for me to get it out unless if I do something crazy like drill it. Don't want to waste the time. Got the OBD sensor hooked up over here. I hooked it up with the relay fuse box bolt over there. Then I actually mounted the bushing and bracket over here. It worked out like a champ, which is where the same exact location where the fuse box relay comes. And you see everything came out like nice and snug. And then pretty much the elbow pipe is still the same. I'm still gonna be able to put the vacuum hose for the ECU down here, no problem. And yeah, there you have it. And we're gonna give it a nice and peel. Boom. Here we go. Nano web pod over here. It sounds nice. I could tell there's like a little more of a vacuum noise, and it's pretty nice over there. You can tell that this setup is actually a lot lighter. I try to make it clean too, and I put the EVF valve behind here I don't know if you guys can see it, and rerouted and actually changed this hose because it was not long enough. So I actually went from the manifold and went through there, and then underneath, I don't know if we can see it with my phone over there, but there you go. And then goes down here and hooked up all the cables. I tied up the blue one, the one for the butterfly valve that I have no need. And now I have like a ton of space too for maybe possibly put a shield here, a heat shield, who knows, or maybe route some sort of like piping into here as like a hybrid cold air intake system or something like that. But yeah, there's my Celica GTS with the new engine intake. Boom!